The overview greets her with a guided setup checklist. Hands up the mandatory Security Plus track, the auditor's required curriculum. Engineering team automatically enrolled in the track. It's needed. She buys 50, the whole purchase under 15 seconds.
Marcus Okafor, senior engineer at Halcyon, gets the invite. No password. His dashboard already knows who he is. Leon's curriculum, his progress, all linked to Sarah's admin.
Most engineers are on track. 3 aren't. One click sends Priya's manager a heads up, not a shame ping. A code drives the human conversation. Certcy just makes sure the right person sees. When the board asks, "Are we audit ready?" Sarah has the curve. One click, one PDF.